it's not better than the McChicken.
Hey, 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 girl, can you take it? Yeah, she take it, never run it, take it.
Hi, my Z babies. I'm back in you with another lit video, and today it's going to be a pretty interesting video. There's been a lot of talk about this Popeyes chicken sandwich, so today we're gonna check it out and see what's the hype about, you know? So let's get into this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Z, baby. Z, baby. What? Z, baby. I'm back in here with another video. Okay, so right here we have the Popeyes chicken sandwich or whatever. It comes in this little thing. Yeah. Looks like this. Wait, let me bring this closer. Okay, so look, it looks like this inside. This is the spicy chicken sandwich, so yeah. I love me some Popeyes. Okay, and let's go. Okay, wait. That's spicy, what the heck? Okay, so to be honest, it's not better than the McChicken.
It's not better than the McChicken.
No, I'm just kidding, but it's pretty good. It's really hot. Dang. Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, I don't know if it's better than the Chick-fil-A one because I haven't tasted the Chick-fil-A one yet, but it's pretty good. It's not like, oh my God, this is so fire, man. But it's good. Bro, I've been trying to get this sandwich, bro, for like the whole weekend. For like 4 days. Like, what the heck? The lines are freaking long, and then like some of them are freaking stupid, and then like some of them don't open till later, and then people are already there. But now I finally have it to try it with you guys. I know. But yeah, it has like a buffalo sauce in it. And it's really spicy. But the chicken's really good. Because Popeyes chicken is always popping, period. And it has pickles in it. And it's really thick chicken. It's not flat. Oh yeah. It's pretty good. I mean, would I be waiting in line for 2 hours for it? I don't know about that, man. But it's pretty good. Okay, that bite right there, that bite was good. That bite right there was good. God damn. Okay, so the more you bite it, the better it gets. I feel like this is getting bomb, bro. hot, man. Okay. I think I had enough in there. Okay, so the sandwich is low-key bomb. Like low-key, but high-key, but low-key, but high-key, but it is bomb. The first bite, it was like, bruh, this hype for this. And then after you like take a couple bites, you're like, oh, I see where the hype is from, man. But yeah, this is yeah, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to share with y'all what I thought about the Popeyes chicken, and it's pretty bomb after like a couple bites, man. So now I have to go to cheer practice. So I'll see you later in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bye, babies. Bye, babies. What? Bye, babies. I'll see you in the next freaking video. I'm out.